Welcome to Infinity Acres. I'm Laura Steere.
And I'm Rick Steere.
And we are the co-founders of Friends of Infinity Acres Ranch. We invite you to learn about this beautiful 61-acre ranch that's located in Henry County at the base of the Blue Ridge Mountains in Southwest Virginia.
What I heard made me sit upright. Looked out the window, what a curious sight.
Occasionally you may see a unicorn or maybe a fairy princess, and if you're very fortunate, possibly even travel to Infinity's real magical land of Narnia. Friends of Infinity Acres, also called FOIA, touches hearts and impacts lives with their animal-assisted learning program. The main branch of the Infinity family tree is the newest and most innovative program called ENABLE, which is an acronym for Enriching, Nurturing, Animal-Based Learning Experiences. This creatively designed day service program promotes the power of purpose and passion to transform and enrich lives with animal husbandry-related activities for individuals with disabilities. The ENABLE program is a heartfelt call to action. Friends of Infinity Acres is moving towards the future with the synergy from networking with the community, integrating people with and without disabilities to nurture a climate of acceptance.
I woke up in the middle of the night. What I heard made me sit upright. Looked out the window, what a curious sight. Out in the barnyard in the moonlight, the chickens and the ducks were dancing around. An old tomcat with a blue tick hound. There's Delma Jean, what a pretty little girl. She hollered, come on down and give it a whirl. It's kinda like the Tennessee Wheel.
The second branch of the Infinity family tree is the educational tours that provide interactive experiences to schools, churches, organizations, and private groups. Guests get the opportunity to touch and hug and brush a variety of exotic and domestic critters. Infinity Acres is proud to be a certified Virginia Green agritourism attraction. The next branch is the Animal Adventure Summer Camp, where kids get the 3 R's of the ranch, which are respect, responsibility, and recreation. Healthy outdoor activities that embrace the rich agricultural heritage of Virginia are shared with the campers during a week-long camp. Come join us at a festival or local event where our mobile exhibit is a very popular attraction. You'll have the rare opportunity to touch, pet, and enjoy our friendly critters. The Alpaca and Llama 4-H Club is a very special branch on the family tree. These successful boys and girls practice year-round, compete at least 3 times per year, perform community service, learn animal handling and care skills, and even get public speaking experience. Any youth between ages 8 and 16 may call for membership information. Let's hear it for this last branch on the tree, community service and volunteers. This is where Friends of Infinity Acres welcomes community partners, volunteers, sponsors, and donations to support the programs at the ranch. And it's also where FOIA gives back to the community. Friends of Infinity Acre volunteers are a diverse cross-section of the community, representing all ages, races, backgrounds, and talents. Friends of Infinity Acres is an educational nonprofit that reaches out in a proven yet unconventional way to inspire, encourage, and motivate people to reach their full potential. And they do that through the bonding and interactive experiences with Infinity's wide array of animal species. Demographically, Friends of Infinity Acres programs service participants from all racial and economic backgrounds, as well as a range of levels of ages and abilities. Friends of Infinity Acres invites you to be a leaf on the branch of the ranch's family tree. Join us as we reach towards the sky and grow positively into the 21st century. Thank you from all the friends at Infinity Acres Ranch. Love really does grow here.
It makes you feel you can dance and laugh and sing. Do the barnyard stomp with me. Eye to the left and jump to the right. Stomp 3 times and spin real tight. Scoot to the front, then scoot to the back, then shuffle like a train on the railroad track. I've never seen nothing like it before. My barnyard's turned into a funky dance floor. It's kinda like the Tennessee Wheel. Tell by the way it makes you feel. You can dance and laugh and sing. Do the barnyard yard stomp with me.
Laura and I hope that you enjoyed the virtual tour of our beautiful ranch and that you understand more about our passions and what we do here. Please make an appointment to visit us at the ranch. Bring your family, your friends, or an organization for a guided tour or to volunteer your time to help. Remember, please call before your visit, and we look forward to meeting you all someday soon.
Wishing happy trails to all of you. Well, howdy, how y'all doing? Welcome to Infinity Acres Ranch. My name is Laura and I'm one of the owners.
And I'm Rick.
We are nestled here in the foothills of Blue Ridge Mountains. The history of these hills is steeped in traditional mountain music, as honored by the Crooked Road Music Trail. You'll hear a lot of the bluegrass music in the background. The Crooked Road Music Trail has popular places like the Floyd Country Store. Those are packed every weekend with flat-foot dances and lively music. Our area is famous for RIDGEWAY, grandfather clock, and once was the furniture capital of the world. Famous companies like Hooker, Stanley, Bassett Furniture. You may even have some of that in your own home. To symbolize our past, Martinsville has a 5,000-pound, 20-foot-high chair in the uptown area. Flat Stanley sure looks small sitting there. The grandfather clock is actually used as a prize for the winner of the NASCAR Speedway, Martinsville Speedway. It's one of the smallest ones in the whole NASCAR circuit. Our town is located in Henry County, which is next to Patrick County. And you may recognize Patrick Henry as a famous name found in a lot of the Civil War history. In fact, our whole area is rich in that culture and heritage. There's Civil War symbols everywhere. We hope you enjoy all the beautiful views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. This is Lover's Week. We've got lots of great animals that are all friendly and welcoming here at Infinity Acres Ranch. Glad you're here to visit. Well, Flat Stanley has been able to meet many of our exotic and our domestic animals. He's pictured with llamas, alpacas, donkeys. He's even had a chance to hang out with Gracie May, our big pig. Actually, she's a hot dog. And some of the animals you may not recognize, like our tiny marsupials called sugar gliders. They're little exotic pocket cats from Australia. And Kaz, the Coatimundi. He's the animal with the long ringed tail and a long pointy nose. He comes from Venezuela. And our great big white Pyrenees dogs, well, they're the guardians. They help protect us and all of our friends. Infinity Acres is all about kids and critters and having fun together. We have a large 4-H group, the Alpaca 4-H group called the Fit Happy. We compete at alpaca and llama shows, and we actually do very, very well, as you can see by all of our ribbons. Our kids work hard to train the alpacas and llamas. Petting ranch tours to school children, like you. Here's Mr. Rick, complaining about feathers. Look at all the pretty feathers on that peacock and that parrot. We offer summer day camp programs. lots of activities. We even paint the horses. Model feed baby goats. Here's a snake. He's our corn snake, and he is very, very popular. Here is a fawn eating grass out of our hayfield. We have a lot of white-tailed deer here in Virginia. Everybody loves our pond. We go paddle boats, kayak, fishing. We can even swim with great white sharks. I mean, Mojo and Zena, our Great Pyrenees dogs. Ranch is proud to be a Virginia Green certified tourist attraction. We encourage recycling and protecting our environment. We even send alpaca fiber down to the Gulf during the big oil spill. We produce all natural products like our alpaca wrapped goat milk soap. And we compost, taking the manure from the alpacas, llamas, and horses, making it into rich soil for the garden. Mabry Mill is an old working mill and one of the most photographed spots in the whole nation. It's part of the Blue Ridge Parkway, which is actually the longest national park in the country. It extends about 400 miles and stretches between the Shenandoah National Park and the Smoky Mountains. The Covered Bridge Festival celebrates a lovely piece of our transportation. Here at Infinity Acres Ranch, we are USDA licensed breeders. We raise and sell goats, chinchillas, sugar gliders, Great Pyrenees puppies, and alpacas. Well, we hope that you and Flat Stanley have enjoyed your visit here to Infinity Acres Ranch. We've enjoyed having you. Please come to our website, www.infinityacres.org. Click on the alpaca that you see here, and it'll take you to a virtual tour on YouTube.
This is Rick.
And this is Laura.
Thank you.
Y'all come back soon. You hear?